Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the channel where we bring you the latest rides, innovations, and future-forward machines that redefine the way we move. If you're passionate about cars, bikes, and everything in between, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting reveals of the year, the 2026 Honda Motorhome, a futuristic combination of comfort, technology, and Honda's legendary reliability. The motorhome industry has been undergoing a transformation, and Honda has stepped into the spotlight with a model that feels more like a luxury smart home on wheels than just a recreational vehicle. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Honda Motorhome sets itself apart with sleek, aerodynamic lines, a futuristic front fascia, and a design that blends elegance with practicality. Unlike bulky RVs of the past, this one is sculpted to maximize efficiency and style, giving it a modern edge that will turn heads on the road. Step inside, and you immediately feel the Honda philosophy of maximizing space and usability. The layout has been engineered with flexibility in mind, featuring a modular interior that adapts to your needs. The living area includes a convertible lounge with premium seating that transforms effortlessly into a dining space or a sleeping area. Materials are carefully chosen with a focus on durability and comfort, offering a warm, inviting atmosphere without compromising on the premium feel. Technology plays a huge role in this motorhome. The centerpiece is an advanced smart cockpit with Honda's next-gen infotainment system, seamlessly integrating voice commands, gesture controls, and AI-powered assistance. Navigation is smarter than ever, offering real-time traffic updates and campsite recommendations, while onboard systems monitor energy consumption and suggest ways to optimize your journey. Honda has also introduced a connected ecosystem that allows you to control climate, lighting, and security features from your smartphone, giving you complete command even when you're away from the vehicle. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Motorhome takes a bold step forward with a hybrid electric powertrain designed for long-distance travel. The combination of electric motors and a fuel-efficient engine ensures reduced emissions while still delivering the torque and reliability needed for a fully loaded motorhome. Honda's engineers have also prioritized efficiency, equipping the vehicle with regenerative braking and solar panel integration on the roof to extend energy independence during your travels. Safety has always been at the heart of Honda's designs, and this motorhome is no exception. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot detection, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities on highways. Parking such a large vehicle has also been made easier with a 360-degree camera system and automated parking assist, making it more approachable for drivers who may be new to motorhomes. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is not just about travel, it's about lifestyle. With its spacious kitchen featuring induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, and plenty of storage, meal prep feels effortless. The bathroom setup is compact yet luxurious, complete with eco-friendly water systems. Entertainment is never far away, with integrated surround sound, 5G connectivity, and a retractable projector system that turns the lounge into a private cinema. Honda has truly raised the bar with this motorhome, making it clear that the future of travel is about blending mobility, sustainability, and comfort into one seamless package. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or planning months-long road trips, the 2026 Honda Motorhome feels like a partner ready to take on every journey with you. Thanks for watching Ride Ready Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Honda's futuristic motorhome, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews on the rides shaping tomorrow.